This is I'm trying to turn on the AC, but none of these buttons work. AC, max AC, but nothing works. It does not light up. No radio. Nothing is on. Okay. When I do have codes for that. Let's see. Report. Okay. And this is okay. That's what I have. On a 20, what is this? 17 MKC? What MKC? 17 Lincoln MKC. What I found with the latch that didn't want to work, sadly, these two connectors, this gray one and then there's a black one there, they were not connected, and that's why also the front controls wouldn't work. Now this turns on. Is it on? At least it lights up. Radio's on. Yeah. It's blowing code there now. Wow, that's crazy. Because of those connectors, it wouldn't work. And it's closing now. When I push this button, let's see if it opens, and it opens and closes. So because of that, wow, that's insane. I checked powers, grounds, and I was missing a power, and it was because of those connectors. That is crazy. Okay, well, we figured it out. Thanks for watching.